And the race is on. Miss Bobon from the outside is Gondor. Running by Daryl is guided Missile. Rushing up Prince Carlo. Alongside is Princess Adana. Followed by Jupiter Thunder. Running in 7th position. Old Reliable. Down on the inside, Lord Brian is sneaking by Daryl Classic Royal. Alongside is Jupiter Thunder. King's Crown, Raymond Star. Entry number 12. And this one is Beat the Hit while Hoy! Sobra na is the early trailer. As they round the 3/4 mile distance, Miss Bobon by 2 lines followed by Gondor. Princess Adarna is racing in third by some 3 lengths. Guided Missile sneaking down on the inside. Rushing up by the is Deep Rising, Jupiter Thunder, Prince Carlo in the middle. Old Reliable running on the outside. Lord Brian P plus Raymond Star. Hoy! Sobra na 4th last running by the Beat the Hit and running second last entry number 7. This one's King's Crown while Classic Royal is now running in 14th. Rounding the far turn, Gondor Deep Rising sneaking by the rail. It's now Deep Rising followed by Jupiter Thunder. Gondor is fading out from the outside. Princess Adana guided Missile racing towards the final turn and into the long Santana stretch run with Deep Rising is now the leader followed by Hoy! Sobra na by the rail and nearing the finish line. Deep Rising, Hoy! Sobra na by the rail. Guided Missile down on the inside. Deep Rising, Hoy! Sobra na by the rail and panel is going to be close. Between Deep Rising, Hoy! Sobra na. Guided Missile, Beat the Hit, Raymond Star, Lord Brian.